Hello, my name is Ed Devane and I'm a sound artist and instrument builder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this very simple kazoo out of lollipop sticks and a rubber band. For the kazoo, you're going to need the following materials: 2 lollipop sticks, sellotape, some cardboard, this is taken from a cereal box, scissors, and a rubber band. The first thing I'm going to do is cut 2 long strips. If you have a ruler, these strips are going to be about 80 millimeters or 8 centimeters. So I'm going to take a piece of sellotape, stick it on like this, I'm going to do this twice. Okay, so what this is doing is making a little gap for the rubber band. We're going to stretch the rubber band over the both ends of the lollipop stick. Now we're going to get cardboard and we're just going to wrap it around a couple more times. So I'm taping that piece of cardboard over. Now once again I'm going to fold this over the cardboard, bring it around to here. I'm going to trim off this little excess. Don't need that. And I'm going to tape it in place. Next I'm going to tape the second lollipop stick, tape it around here. So how you play this is you bring it up to your lips, press down on this end, and it's going to make the rubber band is going to vibrate, and we can shorten the playable length of the rubber band by pressing our fingers down onto this. So again, you're going to have to learn some way of actually playing this. I'm by no means an expert, but I've found that if I hold it, pinch it between my thumb and my forefinger like this at one end, then I can use these other fingers to try and get some recognizable pitches. If you blow into it harder or softer, you'll also change the pitch. So I'm not changing any fingers, I'm just going to blow into it harder.